How to fix the link directly opens on browser problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If links are not opening as expected or always defaulting to the wrong browser, here is how you can fix it. First of all, you can set the default browser. To do so, head over to device settings. After that, scroll down until you find the applications. Tap on apps and scroll down to find the default apps. Tap on it. Once that is done, scroll down and select the web browser and then on opening links. Make sure you have enabled the toggle for instance app to allow links to open in apps even if they are not installed. Likewise, you can scroll down and select the app where you are experiencing the problem. After tapping on the specific one, make sure to toggle on open supported links. Once you do so, make sure to do the same for other applications having the same trouble as well. The process is simple, just tap on it and ensure that open supported links is enabled or toggled on. Once that is done, verify the solution and check if the issue is resolved. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.